Jamaica, wait. Which motto is best? Out of many, one people, or out of one, many people? Which one is true for us? I think it's time that we look at the Jamaican national motto a little bit deeper, because we've embraced a motto that subconsciously suggests that our unity is a destination landmark somewhere on our timeline, only occurring after separation. I don't know if that bothers anybody else. After separation occurs, then we can find unity. This is out of order. And I just want to propose a small edit. Let's just switch it around just to be more right and exact for 2025 and beyond, where Jamaicans' excellence is our bar. How about out of one, we are many, or out of one, many people? Kind of has a ring to it. Listen, this is rooted in our origin. We're Africans first, right? Children of the motherland, bound by a singular source, our creator, our one creator from whom all life flows, every man, woman, and child. We cannot ignore this truth, and we cannot live by a motto that does not honor this origin. Changing it reminds us of our diversity springing from a unified beginning, an undisputed fact, a fact that we accept with our entire existence. So why doesn't our national motto reflect our current understanding in the nation of Jamaica? Howard Leslie, the movie maker God spoke to, wants to know. Jamaicans want to know. People of high intelligence would like to know. Politicians would like to know. The working class would like to know. Can we change the motto to out of one, many people?